In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to delete your ChatGPT account in Android. Now basically there are two ways that you can do it, but the easiest way is to do through your email and just send them an email. The other thing that you also need to know is that make sure that you use the same email that you used while signing up for ChatGPT. Otherwise, this request won't be completed. Now after you open up your Gmail or any other service providers, you just send it to deletion@openai.com. The subject should be account deletion request and the body should include please delete my account. Now these have been suggested by OpenAI themselves, and you could find an article about this on the website of OpenAI. After you type in all these, you can just send this email to OpenAI. Now since there are a lot of users using ChatGPT, your request could take even up to 14 days to be completed. So you just need to wait out, and within 2 weeks your account of ChatGPT will be deleted. So that was a step-by-step process on how to delete ChatGPT on your Android phones. So that's all for this video. If you liked this video and if you found this video helpful, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.